Okay, this cheat code is actually really simple. I could pretty much teach this one in less than 60 seconds on a YouTube short, which raises the question of why make a video about it then? So before we dive in and show the code, let's have a little bit of understanding about why mastering the command line interface is a good idea. If you look at every CLI command that we dive into throughout this whole series this year, and you break down the commands and look at how they're structured, you start to get an understanding of how the underlying engine of N2OS and the Guardian works. And through that understanding, it's going to empower you as a customer or an engineer to use the Nozomi Networks products better, to provide a better level of support to people, and to be able to solve your own problems, self-serve and solve your own problems a lot more. So even though some of these videos might seem trivial or simple, it's worth taking the time to get to know what the commands do and think about why they work and what they change. And if you've done the Nozomi Networks Certified Engineer, the NNCE training, everything we're doing in here, one way or another, is covered in NNCE. And we're giving you that little bit more information, that deeper level of understanding to make you a better Nozomi Networks certified engineer. But right now, let's delete some nodes. So what I've got here on my Guardian, I've selected up here a single node within my lab environment, 192.168.60.10. And for whatever reason, I need to get rid of that node. If you are going to do it through the GUI, there's a couple of ways. I can click on the cog here and select the node and go delete and get rid of it that way. Or I can go into the node and do the same thing here. Click on the cog here, select the nodes and go delete. Both of those are effectively, it's exactly the same, but we want to do it in the CLI. So we go administration, we go CLI, and this is the command that you'll need to use. IDS configure VI node, the IP address, and then colon delete. So let's break this command down. IDS. Unlike other commands, this is not a conf.user command. This is an IDS command. So it's happening in a different place. It's a different part of the engine. Configure VI. So we're making a change to the virtual image. And again, if you've done the NNCE training, and if you haven't, go to the Academy and do the NNCE training. If you've done the NNCE training, you will understand the relationship between the base image, the virtual image, and the environment as it operates live. So IDS configure VI node. We're pulling a node, the IP address, and then the command colon delete. We hit enter, there's our success message, and if I go back to my network and nodes page, and I'm still filtered with .60.10 to try to get back that, or try to look at that node that I had, it's not there anymore. Job done, very easy.